YouTube? I'm Colin Costello, and today we'll be talking about a couple penny stocks that I'm following closely. In this video, we'll take a look at some news from these companies, and we'll also take a look at the stock charts to see how the stocks have been behaving lately. Keep in mind, you guys, that the stock market and especially penny stocks are very risky, so please don't invest any money that you're not willing to lose, and as always, do your own research. Now let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, the first stock we'll be talking about is Cyberlux stock, or CYBL stock. Cyberlux is working on becoming pink current, and they're also hinting at an acquisition that I'm very excited about, and I believe we'll hear more once they are current. Real quick, let's look at a recent tweet from Cyberlux Corporation. Here's a tweet from the official account of Cyberlux Corporation, or CYBL stock. The tweet states, "Quick update. All OTC market filings are now complete. Our OTC market profile is verified and the attorney letter will post today. Next is the IR deck with revenue guidance and pink current." Next, we're going to jump on over to the OTC Markets website and check out some recent news from Cyberlux stock. First, you guys, if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below. We're a young channel and we're trying to grow on YouTube. This helps us out greatly with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps other investors learn about these stocks. Here we are on OTCmarkets.com under CYBL stock, or Cyberlux Corporation stock. We can see in the top right hand corner that the transfer agent has been verified, and if we scroll on down to filings and disclosure, we can see the attorney letter with respect to current information, attorney opinion letter confirming CYBL current information. And if we click here, we can review the letter from the attorney, and I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to check that out yourselves, but I'll just read the first brief paragraph. "I've acted as counsel to Cyberlux Corporation, a Nevada corporation, on the specific securities and corporate issues, and have been retained for the purpose of reviewing the current information supplied by the issuer.
You were serious about that?
Specifically with respect to the issuer's annual financials for the years ended December 31st, 2019 and 2020, and the first quarter of 2021. The annual financials for December 31st, 2019 were filed with the OTC Disclosure News Service on www.otcmarkets.com and posted on July 29th, 2021.
Cool.
And the annual reports for December 31st, 2020 and the first quarter of 2021 were filed with the OTC Disclosure News Service and posted on August 3rd, 2021. So everything appears to be right on track with Cyberlux Corporation. I do believe this company has massive long-term potential, and I am invested heavily in Cyberlux stock. Now let's take a look at the stock charts, and we'll see how Cyberlux stock has been behaving lately. But first, you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're going to do is learn about stocks and more ways to make money. Here's the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for CYBL, or Cyberlux Corporation stock. So each of these candles would represent how CYBL stock traded in 1 day over the last 6 months. CYBL stock has definitely been ripping lately in a primary uptrend, but the last candle we threw in there has a top wick, which means the sellers are starting to put a little bit of pressure on it up there. Down at the bottom there, we can see the selling volume increasing. That bottom wick of the last red candle there, we can see it reached down and it bounced off of 0.155. That's where the buyers stepped in. That bottom wick, it signifies the buying pressure, and the buyers pulled it back up to where the body of the candle rests at about 0.169, where we're sitting on support right now. In the shorter term, I'll be watching that 0.0169 support level, and I'll also be watching the volume down below to see if the selling volume increases or decreases. I would also like to see some consolidation, but as long as it holds this primary uptrend line, I'll be very happy with Cyberlux Corporation stock. Let's drill down to the next chart to see if we can get a better look. Here's the 3-month, 1-hour candlestick chart for CYBL stock, or Cyberlux Corporation. Cyberlux stock traded all the way up to 0.0186, and then it threw in that top wick where the sellers stepped in, and now it's traded down to 0.0169 where it's holding that support. We can see the last 4 hours of the day, it did hold that same level of support, so this could be a sign that we are developing a strong support level right there, and the low volume down at the bottom shows me there is a little bit of consolidation, and consolidation on low volume is good, so maybe we'll trade over sideways to resume the trend line upward eventually. It looks like the sellers are trying to put a little bit of pressure on Cyberlux stock, as you see the bigger top wicks there, so if it does trade down into that channel, it wouldn't surprise me. But as long as we do resume the primary uptrend with Cyberlux stock, it does not concern me, because this is a longer term investment for me. That was a little bit about Cyberlux, and if you'd like to learn more in depth about Cyberlux Corporation stock and what they do as a company, I have made a previous video. You can click that card up above and check it out. You guys, please also feel free to leave me a comment at any time of the video in the comments section down below. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Now let's take a look at our second penny stock of the video, and that's KYNC stock, or KYN Capital stock. KYN Capital just had a recent announcement, and we're going to look at that real quick, and then we'll take a look at the stock charts to see what's happened to this stock recently. KYN Capital Group announces CoinFold. Pay now, accept digital payments from anywhere in the world. KYNC is pleased to announce the release of CoinFoldPay.com, our all-in-one payment solution for businesses to use and receive digital assets as payments. CoinFold Pay accepts cryptocurrency payments from all over the world. You can accept digital asset payments that include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and others straight into your account with quick and easy payments.
Show me the money. Show me the money.
We're looking to be your global payment system, eliminate fraud, no chargebacks or ID theft, and process fiat settlements to receive funds directly to your bank account with zero price volatility or risk. We provide a quick, easy, and cost-effective way for merchants to receive crypto payments from customers without the risk of volatility exposure. Leveraging our frictionless, blockchain-based payment processing technology, your cryptocurrency will automatically and instantaneously be converted to a fiat currency of your choice and deposited into your bank account. Whether you are a business looking to accept crypto or a freelancer hoping to gain a competitive edge by enabling Bitcoin payments on your invoices, CoinFold Pay enables you to seamlessly receive cryptocurrency payments, securing market share today and for years to come. KYN Capital just recently launched their CoinFold app, and I believe it has massive long-term potential. However, we just recently had a hit in the share price, and I did mention this could happen in the last video. So if you guys haven't already, hit that notification bell down below and you'll get these video alerts as they are time sensitive. Now let's take a look at the stock charts for KYNC stock. Here's the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for KYN Capital Group, or KYNC stock. KYNC stock went on a tear in anticipation of their CoinFold launch. KYNC stock traded all the way up to almost 4 cents. In the last video, I explained that there's a large gap that you see the arrow there that it's pointed to, and it might trade down to fill that under 2 cents. Well, we've come past that. We've come all the way down. We've now filled that gap. And we're coming down to another gap that's under a cent now at 0.009. We would have to trade down quite a bit to fill that next gap, but what concerns me is I don't see much support until then. So let's drill down to a closer chart to see if we can get a better look. Here's the 3-month, 1-hour candlestick chart for KYNC stock, or KYN Capital Group stock. Down at the bottom of this chart, you can see massive selling volume that came in. We've filled one gap and we've traded all the way down. We put in a slight bottom wick, which shows some buyers stepped in around that level, but our best levels of support that I can see from here is 0.0105, and right under that at 0.009, which would fill that gap, and I'd be looking for a bounce at those levels. The share price does not change my opinion of KYNC stock or CoinFold. I do believe it has potential in the future. I'd simply just be looking at these levels for buy levels or add levels if I'm long term. CYBL stock and KYNC stock are penny stocks, and they're not yet traded on Robinhood or Webull. You guys, I use E-Trade. It's just a personal preference, and I've provided a link in the description down below if any of you'd like to get signed up. Well, that's all the time we have for today, you guys, and I just want to say I appreciate you all so much, and thank you for staying till the end of the video. Now do me a favor and leave me a comment in the comments section down below and let me know what you think of these stocks. Let me know if you're in one of these stocks, let me know if you're sitting it out, or let me know what your favorite stock is. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Till next time, you guys, I'm KYN Costello. Now hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money. Capital.